Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to check your Sears gift card balance and redeem it to purchase items online. First, go to Sears.com and then sign in to your account. Then click Gift Cards at the top of the homepage and then click Check Balance from the drop-down menu. Enter your gift card number from the back side of your gift card and then type in 8-digit PIN code. After that, click Get Balance button. You can see the amount in your gift card. Now, in order to purchase items online using the Sears gift card, find the items that you like and add them to cart. After you are done, click Proceed to Checkout button. Add your shipping details if you haven't already. Now in the payment section, click Add Gift Card. Enter the 16-digit gift card number that you can find at the back of your gift card. Then after that, enter the 8-digit PIN code under the scratch-off layer. Finally hit Continue to redeem your Sears gift card. The amount will be deducted from your gift card. You can add up to 4 gift cards at a time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.